Hey there, in this video I will teach you how you can download Batman Arkham Knights on your Windows computer. So first open a browser and search for Steam. Go to the first result and press this button and again this button. So I have already downloaded Steam, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not downloaded it, just download it, and after downloading the Steam, install it on your device. So after that, Steam will look like this. This is the Steam. Just create an account. It's like creating a Facebook account. So you just have to create an account, simple as that. Open Steam, and from this you need to tap this store, and then here, from here you will find this search button. Type Batman Arkham Knights, search. This is the first result. You will find this game. Tap here and then add to cart, view my cart. Here you need to pay for the game. Just pay the amount, and after paying the amount you will find your game on your game library, all right, somewhere here. And then you will find an option like this, install. Just tap the install button and you are good to go.